It was a cold winter morning. Anna woke up and looked out the window. The ground was white with snow and the sky was gray. The trees had no leaves, only snow. Anna felt the cold air in her room. She didn't want to leave her warm bed. It's too cold today, she thought. Anna's mom came into her room. Good morning, Anna, she said. It's time to get up and go to school. Anna looked at her mom and said, But Mom, it's so cold outside. I don't want to go to school. Her mom smiled and said, I know it's cold, but you have to go. School is important. Anna slowly got out of bed. She went to the window again. The snow looked deep. How can I walk in the snow? She thought. It's so hard to walk when it's this cold. She didn't feel happy about going to school, but she knew she couldn't stay home. Anna started to get ready. She put on her warm clothes. First, she wore a thick sweater. Then she put on her big winter coat. She also wore gloves, a scarf, and her favorite wool hat. Now I'm ready, she said, but she still felt a little cold. Anna went to the kitchen for breakfast. Her mom made hot chocolate and toast. Here, Anna, drink this. It will help you stay warm, her mom said. Anna smiled and took a sip. Yes, this is good, she said. The hot chocolate made her feel a bit better. After breakfast, Anna put on her boots. They were big and heavy, but they would keep her feet warm. She opened the door, and a strong cold wind blew into the house. Wow, it's really freezing outside, Anna said. She stepped outside, and her boots made a crunching sound on the snow. The road to school was covered in snow. The ground was slippery, and Anna had to walk slowly. The cold wind made her nose red, and her cheeks felt frozen. I wish I could stay home today, she thought as she kept walking. Why does it have to be so cold? On the way, Anna saw her friend, Ben. He was also wearing a big coat, a scarf, and a hat. Ben waved and said, Hi, Anna. It's so cold today. I almost didn't want to come to school. Anna smiled and said, Me too. I didn't want to get out of bed. Anna and Ben walked together to school. They talked about the snow and how cold it was. They tried to walk faster to get warm, but the snow made it hard. Even though it was cold, they laughed and joked. At least we have each other to walk with, Ben said. Finally, Anna and Ben reached the school. The building looked warm and safe. They could see the lights inside. We made it, Anna said. When they went inside, the warm air felt nice. Anna was happy to be out of the cold. Now I'm ready to learn, she said with a smile.